Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to open up Microsoft Word if your microphone is already on and not on, but in sleep mode. So first we're going to start by waking up the microphone. The microphone is sleeping, which is when that's that blue color, you know that you can wake it up and start dictating. Wake up. Open Microsoft Word. Stop listening. So that's it. Pretty easy to do. Hands-free. If your microphone is in sleep mode, you simply wake up the microphone, say open Microsoft Word, and then you can choose the type of document you want to use. If I want to just go to a blank document, I could just give you a quick example how to do that. Wake up. Press Enter key. Stop listening. A blank document opened up because it was already highlighted when I opened it up. So I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and if you would like to get some more tips, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or if you're interested in getting an in-depth e-course that shows you how to start quickly using Dragon Naturally Speaking, you can visit my website, which is also on this page. We look forward to sharing more tips with you in the future, and we'll see you soon.